This is gorgeous. Oh my god. Just walked through a spider web. Whoa! Almost died, but we did it. It's solo adventure day. We're gonna go check out a waterfall. New Jersey has some really pretty waterfalls, and there's quite a few, and I've only been to one. Better. Just gotta stop and get some gas. It's about an hour and 20-minute drive, and then we will be on the road. Thanks for tuning in, and let's get another adventure on the way. Hemlock Falls, where we're going. Honestly, didn't really park in the best place, so we kind of gotta make this a little quick. There was also this area called like Painter's Cove that sounded really cute. You know, I should have looked to make sure we're going in the right spot. Alright, so I guess pro tip, if we're going to find a waterfall, follow the water. So we're gonna go up this way. I'm trying to go here. Keep on thinking to hear water. I know there's like a stream next to us. I think it's up here. I think we found it. Oh yeah. Oh my goodness. That's so pretty. Very pretty. You can hike up. We can do that. That's how you get them hiking steps in. Damn. Let's see what's up here. It's very busy down there, so let's see if there's a little more seclusion. Ooh. Oh, this is gorgeous up here. Let's go down here. Oh, hell yeah. Let's go over here. To a spot like this is kind of wild. Mindful steps, mindful steps. We did it. Bit of a scramble, but we got it. Look at this. This is gorgeous. Oh my god. Gorgeous. Not a bad place to chill for an afternoon. Not bad. Things are turning red already. Yo, this lot is packed. So if I'm done hiking over here, I think I'm done. I'm even parked the wrong way. Alright, on to Painter's Cove. So, this isn't Painter's Cove. It's called Painter's Point. This is where we are. Let's see what's going on down here. Let's go hike on a riverbed. That sounds fun. More people showed up. I can't hike by myself to save my life. I have no problem hiking with people. I think just as I'm vlogging and trying to get shots, I don't want to be awkward. I already had a family who was just vibing, and they would like, this poor mom like kept on apologizing for getting in my shot, and I was like, you're good. It was really cute though. Little dad and daughter just walking along the little waterfall up top on the mountain. It was super cute. We're finally doing our riverbed hike. Whoa! Almost. This is why we hike with intention. Really need to get some hiking boots. If anybody has some beginner hiking boot, let me know in the comments below, because these Nikes have seen their last of their days. This is so pretty. I have almost twisted my ankle 3 times on this thing, and we've only gone like 1/10 of a mile, if that. You know, I do have to say though, this whole area has been pretty well maintained. Like, not much trash, which is good considering our last camp. Don't do this. So it's nice to see the difference. Got some water over here. Oh, look at this. Look at this rock formation. That's some type of pipe that got eroded away. I wonder if that's just like a culvert pipe or something. Got a tree in the way. I think we could go under it though. Oh, maybe not. There's water. Let's go under. What's the worst that can happen, right? Ooh. See? What's the worst that can happen? We can probably get across. Do we want to take the probably slippery way or adventurous way? I think we know which way we're going to go. We're definitely going to go adventurous. Let's do it. Ready? We made it. Almost died, but we did it. Oh, look, we could have gone up and around. This is the better way, though. More adventurous. This is pretty. Just walk through a spider web. It's fine. Really opened up. Damn bugs. Wind's starting to pick up. I think that storm's starting to roll in. Pretty. See if we spot any fishies. Of course, as I say, trash is well maintained. There's a freaking takeout container or whatever the hell. Hey, little birdie. Hello. Let's go out a little bit more. Ew, nope. Nope. Absolutely not. Would love to go over there, but I don't think it's happening. That was really gross. Storm's supposed to hit around 2. It's 1. It's not a far walk to the car. We're almost at 2 miles walked. I think we should hike up a little bit more. Let's hike up a little bit more. Alright, let's learn from last time. Let's go up here instead of almost breaking our ankle. Ow. And that's where we came from, right under there. We're going to take the easy way up now. Down there's where I'm parked. which is good to know. Okay, so if we keep on going all the way up here, looks like there's a bridge that we can take. Let's go for it. I think we'll be all right. Sun's still out, breeze is still going a little bit. I think as long as we'll be back to the car by 2, we should be Gucci. Oh, this is gorgeous. Look at this little cute rock bridge. Love me a cute little rock bridge. Cutie, cutie. Maybe I should re-record my outro here. I missed my turn, so I gotta turn around. I think we gotta get going because all of my thunderstorm alerts are starting to go off. Pretty. Oh, there's gnats everywhere. Big old tree. Oh, look at those. Look at that foliage. Very pretty. Come on, people. Don't do this. Is that the trail? This might be the trail down here. Let's try this down. Yep, there it is. White trail. We're good. And look, we're back. Oh, wait, no, we are not back. I think this is where I was supposed to cross before. We can get across, though. Made it! Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Might have to walk back. I don't think there's a trail. Alright, I lied. We went the wrong way again. It was like a complete dead end. Was I supposed to go that way instead of that way? Oops. Okay, we are back on the main trail, confirmed by Google Maps. Yep, we're back. There's the bridge. I'm actually going to turn my phone off, or the camera off, until we get back to the car, because my phone's at like 20%, and I need that to get home. We're back. Back at our River Rock area. Yay. We did it. Hike complete. We just did little over 3.5 miles. Like 300 feet elevation gain. Nothing too crazy, but yay. It's done. I cannot make this up. I just got back to the car. Like 30 seconds and it just started raining. That timing is wild. What time is it? 1:54? Oh my god, that timing. Crazy. I don't think I've ever nailed timing like that before. Thank you for tuning in and watching. I really appreciate it. These solo adventures are always something that I've wanted to do consistently, and it's been fun to just kind of pick a spot, explore, try it, and see how it goes. Definitely want to do this more, especially before the weather turns cold here in Jersey, where we do get, you know, different seasons and all of that, but it seems like it's getting colder here faster than any of us can handle. If you enjoyed this, make sure you hit a comment down below and, you know, let me know what you enjoyed about the video, whether it was the hiking, the rambling, or whatever it is. As well, make sure you hit a subscribe and turn on that notification bell for when I, you know, drop more videos. I think Saturday is my upload day for you to kind of look out for on my posting schedule. Thank you so much for tuning in and joining me on this super fun adventure that I had out here. My name's Panda, and I will definitely see you on the next one. Bye.